I want to go back. I'm sorry. No, I'm not. Hi, I'm Pierre, and welcome to Neon Reactions. Folks, we are back with EXO, and tonight we're going to rewatch something. We are going to take another look at the song Bird live, but this time, just as you guys told me, the OT8 version of the Fan Meeting 2023 in Japan. Now, this is good because we've got D.O. and we've got Schumann with us. So yes, let's dive right in. I'm excited. The song itself was just wonderful. It was just, it felt awesome. The song is, I don't know how to explain it. It just felt really good. So yes, not much talking now. Let's dive right in. Before we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. And if you have anything to tell me, you know, comment section is the place to go. But now it's time for Bird. Oh, hey! What? Yes. Hey, there he is. Yes. Oh. Oh, very cool. I want to go back. I wanted to say something, but then D.O. started singing. So, no, I wanted to say, I love his leather jacket. That looks so cool. It's nothing special, but I just like it. It's cool. Oh yeah. This is such a good song. Fly away, ooh. Fly away, ooh. Yes. This is just such a fun song. This has such a happy bop to it. This is a happy song. This is so nice. I love it. I really love this song. Wow. I have to go back a bit. Oh, wait, ooh. Nope, I won't. They sound so good. Wow. really nice. Away, ooh. Away, ooh. Away, ooh. I love this. Very cool. I want to go back. I'm sorry. No, I'm not. Go. Whoa. Wonderful, wonderful. Yes. Wave to the crowd. This is I love this song. It's really, really nice. I just realized I was always singing Fly Away. Now it's Far Away. I know. But this is so much fun. This song is like, it's like a bucket full of energy, and you just dive right in. It just feels so good. You don't mind if I go back a bit, right? I don't know how many times I'm pressing this button now, but that's the way it is. So good, wow. And that view of the whole arena, that's insanity. That is just so cool. Wow. Oh, wow. So good. Wow. And that was just a fan meeting? What? You guys got to explain to me, what do they do at their fan meetings? This was a concert, right? Or this is awesome. The song itself is just so good. It is filled with so much joy. It's really, really good. This might just, you guys know, I already told you my favorite EXO song is Obsession. because it's just weird AF, because it just goes really hard. And after that, I would, like tend towards Jekyll, I think. But this one here is way up there too. This one is far, far up in the ranking for me because it's just, it moves me somehow. It's so cool. This is really nice, but you guys got to explain to me their fan meetings. For me, a fan meeting is, either it's a small venue and you do a couple of songs, or it's, I don't know. I don't understand. But this is cool. This was absolutely cool. And so nice to have the two missing members back again. Really, really good. Is there a studio version of this with all of them in it? Or is it just this live performance where they're all singing the song? Another thing you could tell me. Okay, folks, enough talk. We will be getting into more full album reviews soon. I did not forget you guys. I was just on a binge of SB19 and Beanie. I've been pretty much swept away by those two groups. I love them very much. But no, we are getting back to EXO full album reviews very soon. Okay, you guys take care, stay safe. Thanks for always being here. Thank you for joining me on my journey ever since I was unsure about their killing voice, where I didn't really know, okay, will we do it, will we not? Now I'm so happy I did. Yeah, as I always say, folks, sarange annyeong. You have a great evening. Goodbye.